Hi, I'm Julie Kratz. Problem solving has never been such a rich challenge for today's leader. And how do we solve problems inclusively? Most leaders think that they're inclusive leaders, but the research shows that teams recognize that they have gaps. One of the best ways that we can demonstrate our inclusivity is that when things get hard, when we have challenges, when we have problems, that we collectively use them as an opportunity to get better as a team. In our workshop, we teach a proven 5-step framework for solving problems inclusively, and we ask everyone to self assess their skill set from defining the problem to generating and brainstorming solutions to creating and deciding on the key decision to communicating and implementing the solution. Not everyone's good at all of those things. The more we're self aware, the more we know how other team members can help us and facilitate inclusion. We then practice using a real life business problem. And this is where things are interesting. Challenges that leaders may have thought are insurmountable or just how things are that we've accepted as the status quo. We can collectively get different diverse perspectives around the table and inclusively problem solve live in this workshop. People leave with a proven plan, action plan with resources, timeline, and an accountability partner to help them implement the problem solutions effectively. You can learn more about our Solve Problems Inclusively workshop at nextpivotpoint.com.